Here I have WIKO Rainbow Lite, and let me show you how to enable backup option on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let's find and select the settings, scroll down, and under personal let's choose backup and reset. Let's enable backup my data by using that switcher, and then you need to set the backup account. So let's tap backup account. If you have added some Google accounts, you can use them. If not, let's choose add account. The phone is checking info. Now it's important to have an internet connection, and you can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link, or use an existing one. So let me use an existing one. Let's enter an email. Let's tap next. Now it's time to enter a password. Let me do it, wait a few seconds. Then tap next. If everything is alright, let's accept terms of service and privacy policy. So tap accept. Now you can enable or disable backup device apps, app data, settings and Wi-Fi password. Let me leave it enabled, and let's tap next. As you can see, you just enabled backup my data and you just add necessary backup account. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.